Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and proximity. The phone or computer must be on and within about 10 meters, so the system shows current pairings. Next, open Bluetooth settings directly. Use settings Bluetooth on mobile or the system tray icon on a PC to get to the paired devices list. Once there, scan the visible entries and identify the exact device name you want to remove, because deleting the wrong item requires pairing again later. Proceed when you see the correct entry. Once you've selected the target device, tap or click it to reveal its options. Many systems show a gear icon, 3 dots, or an info button. Choose Remove, Forget, or Unpair and accept the confirmation dialog. This severs the stored bonding keys so the devices won't auto-reconnect. On desktops, also check sound or input device lists and revoke any specific profiles or permissions to fully clear the connection. Make sure to wait a few seconds for the system to update the list before moving on. After removal, verify that the device is gone from the paired list and that it no longer auto-connects. This ensures keys were deleted. If the device still reconnects, toggle Bluetooth off and on or reboot the device to clear cached states, and make sure the other device isn't set to repair automatically. If problems persist, reset network or Bluetooth settings to factory defaults to wipe all pairings. But note this removes all saved Bluetooth connections. Only use that as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.